Hi, welcome to vSkul, Nigeria's live first learning platform. Now, whether you are an instructor looking to teach or a student eager to learn, vSkul brings live interactive education directly to you. Okay? Now, if you're an instructor, vSkul gives you a complete platform to build your audience and earn sustainably. Host live classes with our integrated virtual classroom, connect with students in real time, create on-demand videos, just like you're seeing now, that generate passive income. And here is what sets us apart. You keep 85% of every Naira you earn from your on-demand courses, right? Again, you keep 85% of every Naira you earn. We handle the platform, you focus on teaching. We handle the platform, you focus on teaching. That means you wouldn't need to pay us upfront to upload your on-demand courses. It is directly free, it's completely free to create an account, and then you start uploading your courses. Now, when you do that, you create your thumbnail, upload your video, create your description, set your fee cost. We don't control the charges. We don't control that. You fix whatever you want to fix, and then you start earning, right? Now, as you can also see from our price page here, we do not charge basically for upfront. On demand is completely free, right? Now, students also do not pay to sign up. They only pay when they are enrolling for a paid course. There are courses that are free and there are courses that are paid, right? But upfront with students, they do not pay upfront. And for now, we are using Paystack for all our payments, right? So, vSkul opens access to quality instruction from experts across Nigeria and beyond. Join live classes in real time, integrate directly with your instructor. I'm talking about student right now, right? For students, let me take it again. For students, vSkul opens access to quality instruction. Just like you can see, that there is an upcoming class here, a live class. The first one held on August 8th, and this is the second one, and it runs through to September 19, right? Now, as students, vSkul opens access to quality instruction from experts across Nigeria and beyond. Now, students join live in real time, interact directly with their instructor, ask questions, get answers, just like a physical classroom. But from anywhere, just like we do on Zoom. Now, as a student, if you prefer to learn at your own pace, you can browse thousands of our on-demand courses and certificates that employers recognize, all at affordable Naira-friendly pricing. Okay, this is the class the live class that is currently holding, right? And it's been organized by vSkul. This is schedule, right? This is a schedule, and anyone, the first module has been completed and it held last Saturday. The second one is coming up this coming Saturday, and it might hold Saturday and Sunday depending on how it's planned to be. Okay, what makes vSkul different? We combine live interactive teaching with AI-powered tutoring support. Again, we have both on-demand, we have live. This is on-demand, self-paced, this is live. Now also have K-12, which is for those preparing for JAMB, GCU, WAEC, and what have you. So these two, they can offer both excuse me, please. They can offer both live or on demand, right? They can offer both live and on demand. Now, whether you are teaching your first class or learning a skill, vSkul is your partner. As an instructor, we honestly I encourage you to take part of our pilot program, which is coming up. As I scroll down, you see what I'm talking about. We have a start teaching right now as for those that want to do live instructions every day or every week, but we also have what we call pilot testers, which will start going out today, August 13th. What that means is you sign up as a pilot tester and you start, you earn 30% of, sorry, you have 90 days for free to teach and give us live evaluation. Now let me show you the link, peradventure. Let me just show you the link. Okay. Now, we are seeing this. That means you may be opportuned to enjoy 90 days of free instruction. You earn 100% of everything the student pays, except the charges that will be taken by Paystack. Now, once Paystack take their charges, the remaining you take them, right? Now, we encourage you to sign up as soon as possible and this opportunity right now. Teach at most 30 students for free for 30 days. Sorry, for 90 days. Okay. Now I'm going to take you through the platform generally, specifically for live calls, right? So I'm going to take you through on that, but you have to join me in the next video for that, so I don't make this video too lengthy. So in the next video, I'm going to show us how to sign in for the pilot testing and walk us through on that. And then also I'll create another walkthrough video on how you sign in, you create your session as an instructor, and you share, you start your live class, and student will sign up from their own end and watch your video. Okay, so see you in the next video, which starts up in a few seconds from now.